So now let's see how you can do a quick export of the files that you have edited in the timeline. So to do that, you need to go around and click on export and share. And once you do that, you can see that quick export is an option. You can reduce out the file size over here as well and decrease out the quality as you like right here to meet the target file size right here, as you can see, just like this. The resolution is set based on your project settings itself, and you can go around and click on the browse button to choose where you want to save your file. You can go around and let's say, for example, type in test export right here, just like this, and you can go around and see the output preview over here as well. Click on save, and that's it. That is how the media will be rendered out and the video will be saved out, as you can see right there. So this does take a bit of time depending on the size of the video right here, but you can see that it is almost to the end. So I'm just going to go around and skip to the part right here, but I guess like it's almost done anyways right here. So you can see that it's almost 93%, 95, 97, and it has been exported right here. So now you can go around and open up the folder, which is the desktop itself, and there you go. There is the exported video right here. That is a quick exported video, which has both the clips, as you can see right here. That was there in Adobe Premiere Elements, and you can share this video file out as you like. So that is how you can utilize the quick export option inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.